have some breakfast. $5.90. Unbelievable, such a small price.
Our tour about 40 minutes, eh? And this mansion we call Peranakan Mansion. Peranakan is a Malay word, eh? It's a Malay word. Actually, it's a mixed culture. In olden day time, Chinese married the Malay girl, and the next generation, the children, the baby boy we call Baba, and the baby girl we call Nyonya. Nyonya. Olden day time, Chinese married the Malay girl, and the next generation, the children, the baby boy we call Baba, and the baby girl we call Nyonya. Got it? And they feng shui. 1895 the time, our Malaysia didn't have electricity. They're using kerosene light. 1895 the time, Malaysia is under British. A lot of things from England. All this town from England. What is that? And just now you walk in that door, that one. We call side door. Side door, olden day time for the staff in and out for the staff. And the big door is here, the main entrance. Come at the back here, the chair. It's good view, right? Come share everyone. Center part is good view. Come. Come share everyone. Center part is beautiful. Olden day time, Chinese married the Malay girl, and our language all mixed up. Chinese and Malay, all mixed up. Really. And the time in Penang, they got a lot of Chinese. They speak the language Chinese Hokkien, and they call this table in Chinese what they call to ting. To ting is a Chinese word, means table. And the time with the Malay word come together, they're going to call to panjang. Panjang is a Malay word, means long, means long. And they call to panjang means long table. And take a look, and this building you can slowly walk, you can see the wall, they got many photos, and all the photos, the mother went present, the whole set the porcelain to the daughter. Olden day time, you got set the porcelain considered very big, and today all this become antique. Okay, we call this Nyonya ware, and now I'm going to show this other one to you. Come take a look at this one. This bed, very old bed it is. 100 over years already. Very old bed, And just now I mentioned the girl married 13, 14. The Hakka fella, Hakka. That time in China, they got big family in China. They got one wife. There's a Captain Chong wife in China. There's a Captain Chong mother, father. 3 of them in China. Never come to Malaysia. And that time, they got big family in China. Tour, anyone interested to get some drink? The Sun family, they're doing promotion, the birthday drink. Anyone interested, Shawa, you can come back. You can ask, no problem, you can ask. You come to know the price quite okay, the stuff. Anyone interested, you can come back, you can ask. Come, I show you the baby chair. Come take a look. This baby chair, come. Sorry, Come take a look. This baby chair, they got 2 use. Now you look. I can tell you in olden day time, all the Chinese who are sell at time only boys. No. What's the step here? What's the step here? Take a look, and all the tool here is a Peranakan tool here. And inside there's something like Chinese, there's something like Malay style. And the time they got a big brand of British, they got a lot of England, they prefer all the yellow gold is 18 karat. And the Chinese before 20 and 22. And the time the British was sell the time, they bought a lot of gold coin here. You can see the showcase there, they got gold coin here. I can tell in olden day time, you rich, you very rich, you poor, you very poor. That time you got money, but you got
So the guided tour is finished. It was very interesting. It took about 45 minutes. The fee to enter the building is 25 ringgit. The tour is included. I think it's worth it.